Hey guys, I'm back today and I'm going to show you guys how I got that really pretty makeup look. I'm going to start off with my ColourPop brow pencil. I absolutely love it. This is most likely, most of the time, the only brow pencil that I use because of, y'all see that? It is a very thin line pencil there, and all I do is fill in my brows with that, you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and use concealer to clean them. The concealer I'm going to be using, you guys, is this Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I absolutely love it. The color I have it in is Almond, the number 410. So what I'm going to be doing with that is getting this very old MAC brush that I have had for years, and I'm just going to, it has like this deer foot type thing, if you guys can see that right there. So what I'm going to do is just get the brush and take some of it off of there, and then that's how I'm going to be using the concealer, you guys, like with putting it on the brush and then clean with my eyebrows. What I'm going to do now is just take like a flat kind of dense brush and blend out the concealer around my eyebrows, you guys, just so it won't be any harsh lines or anything like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take this Sigma eye primer, and I'm going to put that all over my lid, like kind of, you know, just draw it on there. And then after that, what I'm going to do is get that same brush I use for my concealer and blend that out as well. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is use this Tarlette palette. I have all 4 of them in the series, you guys. This one is called Tarte, has these colors in there such as Grateful. It has some really nice names on it. I'm going to be showing you guys what the names are that I'm going to be using for them. Those are the colors, you guys. It is super pretty, and I love it. It's like some neutral colors. So the names of this palette will be down in the bottom bar for you guys. So what I'm going to do is start off with my fluffy brush right here. I love this. This is the Beauty Crush Cosmetics, and I'm going to start off by taking that really pretty nude pinkish color with that fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using it as my transition color. What I'm going to go do now is I'm going to take this kind of dense tapered brush. This is also from Beauty Crush Cosmetics. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to pick up that it's like a taupey color type color, and I'm going to use that as my next color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Guys, now what I'm going to do is take this mauve color, and this is going to be like kind of over that other color in my crease, going onto my eyelid a little bit. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take, it's like this angled brush. I got this from Beauty Crush Cosmetics as well. I have a bunch of these brushes, you guys, and I'm going to take that very shimmery pretty pink color right there that you see. It is so pretty, and I'm going to put that all over my lid and blend it out. to do, you guys, is I'm going to go back in with the very first transitional shade, and I'm just going to blend everything together. That's what I'm going to do right now. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and take my Mmakiage eyeliner pencil. I love this pencil. It was like free when I ordered some makeup from them, and I love it. It has this felt tip right here that gives you a very precise line, and it is super dark, you guys, and goes on very smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on. This is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is their new mascara. Y'all know I don't wear lashes. I'm a mascara girl. I love this mascara because it has those itty bitty bristles that grab my lashes and just makes them look longer, and it is super dark, you guys. You guys are going to see how it looks in the end. I absolutely love this mascara. Okay guys, now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take that same ColourPop pencil I use for my eyebrows, and I'm going to line my bottom waterline. Y'all know I do not like the black mascara, so the brown one is perfectly fine with me, and I love the one from ColourPop because it is super smooth. You guys, is prime my face with this Urban Decay All Nighter face primer. This is my first time using it, and I'm sorry you guys, I lost the clip of me sitting here rubbing it on my skin, but I'm just gonna rub that into my skin, you guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for a little bit till it get tacky, and then get my foundation. So I'm gonna be using this Beauty Crush Cosmetic flat top brush, and this is my foundation, the double wear. I am in Toasted Toffee, but not really. Y'all gonna see that later, so I'm gonna show y'all in a later video how I fix it. I'm just gonna put some of that on that little palette thing there and put the foundation all over my face. So y'all can see right now that this foundation is way too yellow, but I got something for y'all. I'm coming up with a video to show y'all how to fix that, because at the end of this video y'all gonna see it is yellow, and more it was getting yellow as the products that I put on there. So what I'm gonna do now is take another the L'Oreal Infallible concealer again. That's the same one I use for my eyebrows, you guys, to clean my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is take that and just spot treat. I didn't want to keep putting this foundation on. It is a full coverage foundation, but I didn't want to keep putting it on because y'all see it's already yellow. My skin has like some red rosy undertones, so the foundation that I got is more of neutral. So but it's okay, like I said, I'm gonna fix it. So what I'm doing is just blending in that concealer with my foundation brush, you guys, and I'm gonna be really yellow at the end of this video. I'm not gonna even much lie, y'all. So the next one is the same brand, the L'Oreal Infallible, but this one, I believe this in Toast or something like that. I forget the name. I'll correct it down at the bottom, y'all. That is what I'm going to use for my highlight. Now, the highlight was just perfectly fine. So what I'm just going to do is highlight my skin and then just go ahead and get a brush. And it's going to be like an angled brush, Beauty Crush Cosmetics. And I'm going to blend out my concealer. Do right now is use my CoverGirl pressed powder. It's in soft honey, I believe that this is in, and I'm going to go ahead and take this angled brush right here. I'm going to use this as my contour. Why I did this, y'all, I don't know. Normally I use I think it's called the Black Opal. It's like a pressed powder from Black Opal that I use to contour my face. Y'all, this foundation completely threw me off, and I promise you my makeup look did not come out the way that I wanted it to, because of the foundation. And honestly, it was my mistake in the foundation. Like, it didn't contour correctly. The foundation is like too light for my skin, but like I said in another video, I'm gonna show y'all how I fixed that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face with this, you guys, and just let it be the way it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Sacha ButterCup powder. Y'all, I absolutely love this. I've been using it for years. Y'all see it in my videos all the time. I'm gonna take that to go ahead and set my concealer, or set everywhere I put my concealer at. So what I'm going to do now, y'all, is take this little round brush. It's like a dense brush, and I'm going to contour my nose with the same powder that I told y'all about. It's working a little bit. I don't know, y'all. I'm going to be super yellow, and I wasn't too pleased about how my makeup look came out. But it was still pretty. It just was, I was yellow as heck, but it was still pretty, y'all. Now is take this really big fluffy brush. This is from Real Techniques. I've had this for years. Gonna take that and take this Airspun powder and SunTan. Another mistake in this video, you guys, because normally I use my Laura Mercier in the medium deep and put my for all of my face. Don't know why I didn't do it. I'm telling y'all, this foundation threw me slap off, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna put that all over my face to set my powder, and then y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in after that with my MAC and Raisin. I love this blush. It's a very burnt sandy blush, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on this brush that I've had for years as well. It's like a very fluffy brush, and I love it for my blush. Alright, y'all, I'm going to take this liquid lipstick and this pencil by MAC. This liquid lipstick I got from Amazon. They really don't have names to it, but they come in a set of, I believe, like 5 or 6. The brand, though, is called Quibest. And y'all, this lipstick is the business. I absolutely love it. I'm going to be taking my MAC lip pencil that is in currant, and I'm going to line my lips with that, and then I'm going to put the lipstick over. Oh, before I forget, y'all, this is my friend. She has a cosmetic company. She sells candles. It's called Sauce and Cosmetics. This is the lip balm that I got on my lips before I started anything. When I say this moisturizing but don't leave you greasy, it is the bomb. I'll leave the link to her website down in the bottom as well. So what basically I'm going to do is line my lips, you guys, and then go ahead and put on the liquid lipstick. Right, y'all, so I'm going to be using this Urban Decay all-nighter spray. This is my first time using this as well. I have a lot of new products that I just used in this video, which is why the video is kind of everywhere, and I am looking like a big old highlighter at the end of it. But y'all, believe me, it was not as so horrible, but that's why I had to put a headscarf around it, just to so it, yeah, anyways, y'all gonna see. So yeah, you guys, I'm just spraying my face with this, and this actually made my makeup stay on all day. So this is the end of this tutorial, and this is how it came out, you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I love all of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.